Hey, it's the Midnight Reverend, and today we're doing another mystery bag, and that is another mystery bag from Tiger. So if you've seen my previous video from Tiger, we did a mystery adults and teen bag, and everything in it was Christmas themed. We got tags, a snow scene, so go check that one out. I will link that up here. Today we are doing a Tiger surprise Christmas bag for kids. There's a child. So in here you get a minimum of 3 items worth a minimum of £3. Anything more than that is a bargain. No peeking is allowed. It is sealed. So if you want to get these for a secret Santa or an extra little stocking filler kind of thing, obviously they wouldn't know what was in it, and neither would you, and that's the fun of it. No one knows what's in it. Hopefully this one is Christmas themed too, hence the bag. The adults one was, so I'm going to hope the children's one is. Let's take a look. So you should get 3 items for £3. And as we discussed in the previous video, I'm actually going to repurpose these bags by taking the tag off the back here, and I'm going to use these as Christmas bags. So everything gets used. So let's put the bag down here. Let's put a hand in and see if we get anything Christmassy. So the first item is some washi tape or paper tape. It says paper tape. I'm going to guess, is this like washi tape? Yes, washi tape. Basically, it's washi tape. So the washi tape, we've got like monsters, blobs, and then this one says keep going. I think it says keep going. You got blobs and you got monsters and angry bananas. Blobs, and this one says keep going. The 3 washi tapes don't really like coincide with each other. It's not like they're following a theme, but 3 washi tapes. Okay, let's see what else we've got. We have a Christmas decoration of a tiny little person. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a tiny little doll. Apparently this is a Christmas decoration. Got a little hat on. Got a little festive jumper here. She's got a heart in the middle. Got festive trousers. And not forgetting festive clogs. I'm guessing it's kind of like a little Nordic doll. I'm liking the adult bag better. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Okay, another item. What could it be for children? It's DIY pegs. DIY pegs. So this is pegs that you make into these little men. So you get your white pegs, and then underneath you get smiley faces, you get the noses, you get the felt to make the hat, and you make festive garland pegs. Then it looks like you hang them on your Christmas tree or you put them on your garland. Why would be a question. Anyone ever done this? Festive garland pegs? I mean, look at him. Somebody explain. The thing is with these bags, you can have anything in them. Literally anything Tiger sells could be in these bags. That's the scary part. Okay. We have one last item. And it is a notebook. But it's not just any notebook. It's the Swan Girl. If anyone watches Luxaria, she did a TV reviewing of The Swan, which was a beauty show, and she used to shout, "The Swan Girl!" constantly. If you don't know who Luxaria is, you should definitely watch her channel if you're into reactions to like the Swan, beauty pageants, cosmetic surgery, and that kind of thing. So we have a Swan notebook. Obviously it's so on one side you got the swan, and then if you put it over, it says, "I just swanna have fun." I just swanna have fun, as in swan. Swanna have fun. I just swanna have fun, and then you put it back, and you get. Can you remember when these were in fashion? These double-sided things were on literally everything, and then in the back, obviously you've got all the feathers from the swan, so she looks like that, and it is just a notebook, but it is the Swan Girl. So you could just sit there all day just playing with the things. You just sort of go like that and take the swan away, and then I just swanna have fun. You can spend hours just messing with them. My favourite one was when I bought my son a cushion, and he spent hours just sitting there changing it. So we got the Swan notebook, DIY pegs, we got some washi tape, and we got a freaky Christmas doll. And this was £3. It's probably worth £3. The book's probably £1 or £2. I think these are usually £3. These kind of ones with the sequins. Pound, pound, probably £1. So you probably got what? Maybe £5, £6 value. Because the book, I think, is £3 when they're sequined. And that was everything, unfortunately. Not the best bag in the world. Favourite item, probably the book. The DIY pegs, just the doll, and then what was the other thing? The washi tape. Yeah. If you want to see a good video, check out the adult one. The adult one was much better. I will link it. If you want to like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up, comment down below. What colour is your Christmas tree? Let me know down below. If you want to like, subscribe on your way out, that would be amazing. If you want to help the channel in any way, a PayPal, Super Chat, Super Thanks, or become a member for a very little amount each month, and I will see you soon for some mystery boxes, advent calendar, and a shopping haul coming very, very soon. Take care and thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye, guys.